Hi learners, welcome to my channel Learning Made Easy. So recently I was getting these requests for this particular chapter, Kallu Kumhar ki Unakoti. Okay, this was a deleted portion, so I had not taken earlier. Now I'm uploading it for you. And I was actually wondering, why like people were keeping on asking, students are, they are like very much eagerly waiting for this one video. So when I went through the chapter, I got to know that, yeah, I understand your difficulty. This is a little difficult chapter. I mean, to understand and a bit boring. So I understand that how much it is important for you to get to know this video. So yesterday I had just uploaded another video, but then I keep a little gap for my next video. But then when I got to know that this is a difficult chapter and how much uploading this video will be helpful for your exam, I thought I should not delay it at all. And here is the video for you. So let's begin. Kallu Kumhar ki Unakoti. Okay, I am giving you only the summary. This is not the entire chapter, but this will do. Don't worry, just look here, listen to this summary, and then just read your textbook once, and that is enough. Don't worry. Okay, let's begin. लेखक दिसंबर महीने के सन 1999 में त्रिपुरा की राजधानी अगरतला गए थे. So now this chapter is actually about a travel, okay, of the लेखक and what all he saw over there and things, mainly of the place Tripura. Okay, so this particular place is being explained over here and things like that. So now here लेखक दिसंबर महीने के, in the month of December सन 1999, in the year 1999, त्रिपुरा की राजधानी अगरतला गए थे. He went to the त्रिपुरा राजधानी, capital of त्रिपुरा, that is अगरतला. ओके, वहाँ लेखक को ऑन द रोड शीर्षक से 3 खंडों वाली एक टीवी श्रृंखला बनाना था. Now why he is going to that place अगरतला? Because over there the लेखक wanted to make a serial kind of, you can say, or a TV series. Okay, TV shrinkhala. Shrinkhala means it's a series, or you can say episodes. So mainly 3 खंडों में, 3 parts or 3 episodes of a particular series is what लेखक wanted to do over there. He wanted to shoot it over there. Okay, and what is the name of that series? Its name is On the Road. ओके, लेखक का इस यात्रे के पीछे जो बुनियादी विचार था वह त्रिपुरा की पूरी लंबाई में आर पार जाने वाले राष्ट्रीय मार्ग 44 से यात्रा करना और त्रिपुरा से संबंधित विकास की सभी गतिविधियों के बारे में जानकारी देना था. सो मेन इंटेंशन of lekak, of the writer, behind such a kind of shooting and what he is trying to show through these series is that he wanted to talk about the Rashtriya Rajmarg 44. So this is a pathway, okay, a road you can say, Rashtriya Rajmarg 44 से यात्रा करना. He wanted to tell about that entire travel, okay, from that road और त्रिपुरा से संबंधित and something related to Tripura also he wanted to show. What he wanted to show? विकास की सभी गतिविधि. विकास means development. So he also wanted to show in his series details regarding the development of technological development of what? Tripura also. Sorry, not technological. Overall development also he wanted to show it through the TV series. Okay, so that is why he has come here for the shooting. Am I clear? Okay. नेक्स्ट, भारत के सबसे छोटे राज्यों में से एक त्रिपुरा राज्य है. फ्रॉम इंडियाज वेरी स्मॉल कंट्रीज, वन सच कंट्री और वन सच नेशन इज त्रिपुरा. ओके, इस राज्य की जनसंख्या वृद्धि दर 34% है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा है. बट द पॉपुलेशन ओवर हियर इज़ 34%, विच इज़ एक्चुअली मोर ओवर हियर बिकॉज actually 34% is a very less percentage, but that place is so small that to fit so much population is also very difficult. ओके, ये त्रिपुरा राज्य बांग्लादेश से 3 तरफ से घिरा हुआ है और बाकी भारत के 2 राज्य मिजोरम और आसाम से घिरा हुआ है. सो नाउ दिस प्लेस, पर्टिकुलर प्लेस त्रिपुरा, it is surrounded by 3 places from Bangladesh. Okay, Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh from 3 directions. ओके, एंड बाकी भारत के 2 राज्य एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम इंडिया 2 कंट्रीज, मिजोरम एंड आसाम से घिरा हुआ है. सो जस्ट इमेजिन देयर इज अ त्रिपुरा इन द सेंटर. ओके, एंड देयर आर 5 प्लेसेस अराउंड त्रिपुरा. 3 of them are from Bangladesh itself, 2 from India, they are Mizoram and Assam. Now understood? There is Tripura in between and all these 5 places around it. बेलोनिया, सबरूम, कैलाश शहर, सोनामुरा, ये सब त्रिपुरा के महत्वपूर्ण शहर है. डोंट वरी, डोंट गेट स्केयर लिसनिंग टू दीज नेम्स. दीज आर जस्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस इन त्रिपुरा, नेम्स ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस इन त्रिपुरा, जो बांग्लादेश की सीमा के काफ़ी नज़दीक है, विच इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू द बॉर्डर. सीमा मीन्स बॉर्डर ऑफ बांग्लादेश. ऑफ कोर्स बांग्लादेश इज़ क्लोज टू त्रिपुरा, सो द कंट्रीज दैट आर कनेक्टेड विद बांग्लादेश विल ऑल्सो बी कनेक्टेड टू त्रिपुरा. अगरतला सीमा चौकी से करीब 2 किलोमीटर ही दूर है. नाउ फ्रॉम द सीमा चौकी, दैट इज़ फ्रॉम द बॉर्डर लाइन, ओनली 2 किलोमीटर, इन 2 किलोमीटर्स डिस्टेंस देयर इज़ अनदर प्लेस नेम्ड अगरतला. यहाँ बांग्लादेश के लोगों का अवैध आना जाना भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. इन दिस प्लेस अगरतला देर आर मेनी बांग्लादेशीज़ हु कम, दे कम एंड गो, बांग्लादेशीज़. ओके, यहाँ पर बाहरी लोगों की जनसंख्या इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई है कि यहाँ के मूल निवासी आदिवासियों की संख्या उसके मुकाबले कम होती जा रही है. सो द पॉपुलेशन, जनसंख्या इज़ टू मच इन दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड अगरतला. इन द प्लेस अगरतला पॉपुलेशन इज़ so much, it is more. Why? Because Bangladeshis are also coming and going, no? They are also coming and staying. So because of that, here the people who stay in Agartala, they are Adivasis. Okay, they are from Adivasi tribe. So these Adivasis find it very difficult because of these Bangladeshis. They come in, they go, they come stay in their place. So because of that, these Adivasis find it very difficult for their, why, just imagine why it must be difficult for them. Because now the Adivasis, whatever they get, their basic needs like food, clothing, shelter and all, when more people come into a particular place, Adivasis, that is the people who belong to that particular place, actually, they find difficult to fulfill their needs. The availability of such needs decrease, right? Because others are also coming, they also use these things, so we don't get it. So these are the problems that arise in this particular place, Agartala. इसी कारण त्रिपुरा के आदिवासियों में असंतोष बढ़ता जा रहा है. एंड दैट इज़ वाई द पीपल हियर इन त्रिपुरा, that is Adivasis, they find it very difficult to stay. They become very asantosh. They are very sad. Now Tripura, Agartala is also in Tripura. Okay, that's why at particular places it is named Tripura, sometimes Agartala. Okay, they are same place. I mean they belong to same place. लेखक अपना पूरा यात्रा वृत्तांत सुनाने में पहले 3 दिनों की चर्चा करते हैं. सो यात्रा वृत्तांत मीन्स द travel blog, whatever he is writing. लेखक is actually describing the first 3 days initially, 3 दिन. Okay, जो अगरतला के इर्द गिर्द की शूटिंग की गई थी, which was actually shooted here and there in Agartala itself. The first 3 days are being shooted in Agartala itself. इसी दौरान लेखक ने उज्जयंत महल की भी चर्चा की, जो अगरतला का मुख्य महल है, और अब उसी महल में त्रिपुरा की राज्य विधानसभा बैठती है. सो नाउ इन दिस शूटिंग, इन दीज 3 days, ही इज़ ऑल्सो शूटिंग उज्जयंत महल, विच इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट महल इन त्रिपुरा और इन अगरतला. एंड दिस इज़ द महल where the Rajya Vidhan Sabha, that is Legislative Assembly, is also held here in Ujjant Mahal only. Okay. लेखक ये बताते हैं कि त्रिपुरा में लगातार बाहर के लोगों के आने से कुछ समस्याएं तो पैदा हुई हैं, लेकिन इससे ये लाभ भी हुआ है कि राज्य बहुधार्मिक समाज का उदाहरण बन गया है. So now the Lekhak says, writer says that of course Tripura people are finding it difficult. As I said earlier, the other people come into their place and there is a shortage of availability of things, and it is very difficult for people in Tripura. But there is one advantage also, one profit. Labh is also there. What is that? Rajya Bahudharmik means different religion. Now this place, Tripura, is known for its different religion in one particular place. ओके, त्रिपुरा में 19 अनुसूचित जनजातियों पाई जाती है और यहाँ विश्व के चारों बड़े धर्मों का प्रतिनिधित्व भी मौजूद है. सो नाउ इन त्रिपुरा विच आर द फोर, चारों बिग जो हैं चारों बड़े धर्म, विच आर द फोर बिग रिलीजन्स, क्रिस्टियनिटी, हिंदुइज्म, Muslims and Sikhism. So all these four religions people from these four religions can be now seen in this particular place, Tripura. And why did this happen? Otherwise it wouldn't be like that, right? What actually these people, Adivasis in Tripura, have a particular religion, only that would be there. But now since other Bangladeshis are also coming and going, there is a mixture of all four religion people now in this particular place, Tripura. I hope it's clear. I understand your difficulty to understand, because it was difficult for me itself to, make it clear to you. I find it difficult to make it clear. Okay, let's continue. अगरतला के बाद लेखक टीलियामुरा का वर्णन करते हैं. Now after अगरतला, लेखक is talking about another place in Tripura, that is टीलियामुरा. ये एक कस्बा है जो एक बड़ा सा गांव ही है. Now this is a kasba which is a big village. It's actually a village, but it is said to be kasba. Kasba means a town kind of an area. Why? Because it's a very big place. That's why. It's a very, you can say, a little more developed and a town kind of an area. It's a village but very a bit developed, compared to other places. It's a developed place. यहीं पर लेखक की मुलाकात त्रिपुरा के एक प्रसिद्ध लोक गायक हेमंत कुमार जमातिया से होती है. Now here लेखक meets a very famous singer. His name is हेमंत कुमार जमातिया. ओके, जिन्हें सन 1906 ईस्वी में संगीत के क्षेत्र में नाटक अकादमी पुरस्कार मिल चुका है. नाउ दिस पर्सन हेमंत कुमार जमातिया, ही हैज़ बीन अवॉर्डेड इन 1906 विद अकादमी पुरस्कार. हेमंत कोक बारोक बोली में गीत गाते हैं जो त्रिपुरा की कबीलाई बोलियों में से एक है. Now Tripura has different places in it, different tribes in it, and different tribes, different places they use different boli यानी कि language. Okay, Kabila means each and every tribe. Okay, they have different languages. Okay, in that one language name is Kok Barok. Okay, and this person Hemant, which I just said, he sings in this language, Kok Barok language. ओके, वहीं टीलियामुरा शहर के वार्ड नंबर 3 में लेखक की मुलाकात एक और गायक मंजू ऋषिदास से होती है. नाउ फ्रॉम अनदर प्लेस इन टीलियामुरा, वार्ड नंबर 3, देयर द लेखक मीट्स विद अ लेडी सिंगर मंजू ऋषिदास. नाउ देयर इज एन एंट्री ऑफ अ लेडी. लेट्स सी इफ द चैप्टर बिकम्स इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके, मंजू ऋषिदास. ऋषिदास त्रिपुरा में पाए जाने वाले मोचियों के एक समुदाय का नाम है. नाउ दिस lady singer's name is Manju Rishidas, in which Rishidas is actually a name of a particular sect of people, that is Mochi. Mochi means cobblers. There are different sects, right, in for Hindus and all. So Manju belonged to this particular sect. इस समुदाय के लोग जूते बनाने के साथ साथ तबला और ढोल का बनाने का भी काम करते हैं. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम मेकिंग शूज़, these people also make tabla and dhol. Of course, they use similar kind of materials, right? That's why maybe these people, they do making of tabla and dhol also. मंजू ऋषिदास एक आकर्षक महिला थी और वह रेडियो कलाकार होने के साथ साथ नगर पंचायत में अपने वार्ड की प्रतिनिधित्व भी करती थी. सो शी वॉज अ वेरी आकर्षक महिला. शी वॉज वेरी अट्रैक्टिव पर्सनैलिटी, Manju Rishidas. Okay, and she was also working in radio. Okay, in radio she was working, and also she was a pratinidhitva, that is a representative of her ward. उन्होंने लेखक के लिए 2 गीत भी गाए थे. So for लेखक, that is our writer, she sang 2 songs. Let's look further. लेखक ने त्रिपुरा में उपस्थित प्राकृतिक दृश्यों की छटा का वर्णन करते हुए ये कहा है, त्रिपुरा की प्रमुख नदियों में से एक मनु नदी है जिसके किनारे स्थित एक छोटा कस्बा मनु है. नाउ लेखक इज एक्चुअली डिस्क्राइबिंग द प्लेस त्रिपुरा. Okay, the प्राकृतिक दृश्य, the natural view that you get in Tripura is being described. लेखक says that त्रिपुरा की प्रमुख नदी, there are very famous rivers in Tripura, in which one very famous river is Manu. Okay, next to this river there is a small village called Manu only. जिस वक्त हम मनु नदी के पार जाने वाले पुल पर पहुंचे थे, तभी सूर्य मनु के जल में अपना सोना उड़ेल रहा था. So now the लेखक is describing the beauty of that particular place, and the लेखक says that when we reached over there to cross the Manu river, we reached on the pull. Pull means bridge, a bridge that is above the Manu river, and we are there to cross this river. At that time, we saw that in the river, in the waters of the river, there was a particular shine. Sona udel raha tha. The Surya, that is sunlight. Due to sunlight, there was a lot of Sona means actually gold. Here, the light is being described as Sona. Golden rays of the sun was actually falling on Manu river. लेखक त्रिपुरा जिले में जब प्रवेश कर गए तो उन्होंने वहाँ की लोकप्रिय घरेलू गतिविधियों में से एक अगरबत्तियों के लिए बनाई जाने वाली बांस की पतली सीकें तैयार करने वाले घरेलू उद्योग का भी मुआयना किया. Okay. Now the Lekhak, when he's entering into Tripura's other places in Tripura, he comes to meet people who make agarbattis. You know, right? Agarbattis, those scented agarbattis with different scents. Today we get it in different scents. You use it for praying and all. Hindu people use it for praying. Otherwise also it's used in every house for fragrance and extra and such kind of things. So these people who use who make agarbatti, such people, homely people who make agarbattis from their houses, the Lekhak went and Lekhak could meet them also. बांस की इन पतली सीकों को, बांस means it's a material that is used for making agarbatti, okay? So बांस की इन पतली सीकों को, पतली सीक मीन्स दोज वेरी थिन स्टिक्स को अगरबत्तियाँ बनाने के लिए कर्नाटक और गुजरात भेजा जाता है. फ्रॉम हियर यूजिंग दीज मटेरियल्स इन ऑर्डर टू मेक द अगरबत्तीज, दीज मटेरियल्स आर सेंट टू वेयर कर्नाटक एंड गुजरात. दैट इज़ वेयर दीज आर बीइंग सोल्ड एज अगरबत्तीज. I mean made and sold. उत्तरी त्रिपुरा जिले का मुख्यालय कैलाश शहर है जो बांग्लादेश की सीमा के काफ़ी करीब है. Now there is another name of a place, कैलाश शहर. Okay, that is also very close to Bangladesh. That's all. Sorry. Okay. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. So now we are where? Yeah, we are done with this paragraph. Moving on to the next paragraph. त्रिपुरा में एक स्थान है जिसका नाम उनाकोटी है, जिसके बारे में लेखक कुछ भी नहीं जानते थे. So now in Tripura there is another place called Unakoti. Now this comes to our title, right? Kallu Kumhar ki Unakoti. So there is a place called Unakoti about which the लेखक had no idea. We also don't have idea. Let's see what it is. लेखक को उस जगह की विशेष जानकारी वहाँ के जिलाधिकारी से प्राप्त होती है. Now लेखक comes to know about the speciality of this place Unakoti from जिलाधिकारी, that is a district leader. उनाकोटी का मतलब होता है एक कोटि, यानी कि 1 करोड़ से एक कम. Now कोटि means crore, crores. Okay, crore. You say 1 crore? Yeah, that crore. Now Unakoti means 1 less than 1 crore. Okay, so it's a very big number. 1 less than 1 crore is Unakoti. इस दंत कथा के अनुसार उनाकोटी में शिव जी की 1 करोड़ से एक कम मूर्तियाँ पाई जाती है. So according to the Dant Katha, now what is Dant Katha? Dant Katha means it's a myth. The story is a myth. Myth means it's not something, we cannot say that it really happened. It's just a myth. Okay, Dant Katha. It is said so from olden days that in this particular place, Unakoti, there are 1 less than 1 crore statues of Lord Shiv. Statues or murti, whatever you say, idol. Yeah, idols are created of Shiv. How many? 1 less than 1 crore. That is Unakoti. Unakoti number of statues are made of Lord Shiv, and that is why that particular place is named as Unakoti. विद्वानों का मानना है कि ये जगह 10 वर्ग किलोमीटर से कुछ ज़्यादा क्षेत्र में फैली है और पाल शासन के दौरान 9वीं से 12वीं सदी तक के 300 वर्षों में यहाँ चहल पहल रहा करती थी. So, according to the Vidwan, the scholars of olden days, 10 kilometers or something, the place is being spread. Means it's a very small place, and also the from Navi se Barvi, from 9th century to 11th century. That is for 300 years. 1 century means 100 years. So there are 300 years. In 300 years, for 300 years in this place, there was a lot of people and talk. I mean, they used to live there. It was a very active place during those days. पहाड़ों को अंदर से काट कर यहाँ पर बड़ी बड़ी आधार की मूर्तियाँ बनी हैं. Now cutting the mountains, very big statues are made in this place. Okay, you get to see statues of not normal size, very very big. Cutting the mountains, they shape into statues. एक विशाल चट्टान पर ऋषि भगीरथ की प्रार्थना पर स्वर्ग से पृथ्वी पर गंगा के अवतरण के पौराणिक कथा को चित्रित करती है. Now here there is a picturization. You have to imagine another story which is also a myth, that there was a Rishi Bhagirath. Okay, there was a Rishi Bhagirath. There was a saint Bhagirath who prayed a lot, and due to his prayers, from Swarg, from paradise, onto the land, Ganga river, the river which we had today, that Ganga river was to come from paradise onto the earth. Okay, now this is the olden story. गंगा अवतरण के धक्के से कहीं पृथ्वी फंसकर पाताल लोक में ना चली जाए, इसीलिए शिव जी को इसके लिए तैयार किया गया कि वे अपनी जटाओं में गंगा को उलझा लें. Okay. See, now you have to listen very carefully, only then you'll understand. Okay. Now, just imagine there is a person who's praying for Ganga river to fall from paradise onto the land. Okay. Now, he's praying for this. So, now, when the Ganga river falls onto the land, due to its pressure, many countries on the land can actually fall into Patal. Patal means into underground. It will be very difficult. So it was it was said to Shiv, Lord Shiv, that you have to be prepared, you have to be ready. Shiv has very big hair. Shiv has very big hair. So Shiv was asked to hold the Ganga river in his hair, in his hair for a few seconds, just hold it in the hair and then to put it down on the earth so that it flows slowly onto the land. Understood, children? I hope I'm clear. Okay, अपनी जटाओं means in the hair of Shiv, उलझा ले, try to somehow put it on your hair, और इसके बाद इसे पृथ्वी पर धीरे धीरे बहने दे, and then slowly let the Ganga river बहने दे, flow onto the land. एक पूरे चट्टान पर शिव जी का चेहरा बना है और उनकी जटाएं 2 पहाड़ों की चोटियों पर फैली हुई है. सो ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर फुल प्लेस शिव्स फेस इज मेड एंड हिज हेयर इज मेड ऑन 2 डिफरेंट माउंटेन्स. मीन्स अ वेरी बिग स्टैचू ऑफ शिव इज मेड. शिव जी की ये भारत में सबसे बड़ी आधार मूर्ति है. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट स्टैचू ऑफ शिव जी इन द अर्थ. This is the biggest. Just imagine a particular full place is taken for the head of Shiv and the hair is spread over 2 mountains. पूरे वर्ष बहने वाला एक जल प्रपात पहाड़ों से गिरता है जिसे गंगा जितना ही पवित्र माना जाता है. Now there is also a waterfall. Okay, I don't know if maybe there'll be people who are listening to this and they must have visited the place also, so it'll be more clear for you. So there is a waterfall now in the particular place. Okay, where the Lord Shiv's biggest statue is kept, and that water is meant to be as pavitra, as pure as Ganga. ये पूरा क्षेत्र ही देवी देवताओं की मूर्तियों से भरा पड़ा है. This entire place itself is filled with the idols of देवी देवता, goddesses. नेक्स्ट पैरा. स्थानीय आदिवासियों का ये मानना है कि इन मूर्तियों का निर्माता कल्लू कुमार था. सो द प्रेजेंट आदिवासीज हु लिव देयर, दे बिलीव दैट दीज स्टैचूज ऑफ लॉर्ड वर इन ओल्डन डेज, इट वाज मेड बाय कल्लू कुमार. Okay, a person named Kallu Kumar. Now there's another story of Kallu Kumar. Okay, we are getting into the story. Listen carefully. वह पार्वती जी का सच्चा भक्त था और शिव पार्वती जी के साथ उनके निवास स्थान कैलाश पर्वत पर जाना चाहता था. Now this Kallu Kumar is a very big worshipper of Parvati goddess. Okay. Now Shiv and Parvati, they have decided to go and stay on a Kailash Parvat, on a mountain named Kailash. Now, since this Kallu Kumar is a big devotee of Parvati, he also wants to go and stay with Shiv and Parvati on the Kailash mountain. ओके. पार्वती जी के कोशिश करने पर शिव जी कल्लू को कैलाश पर्वत पर ले जाने के लिए तैयार हो गए, लेकिन इसके लिए एक शर्त रखी गई. नाउ पार्वती सेज टू शिव दैट प्लीज टेक कल्लू कुमार विद अस टू द कैलाश माउंटेन. Now, on Parvati saying this, Shiv says, okay, we'll take him, but on one shart, on one condition. Now, what is the condition? कि उसे एक रात में शिव जी के कोटि यानी कि करोड़ मूर्तियाँ बनानी होंगी. Now, what is the condition? Shiv says, okay, Kallu Kumar, you come with us to Kailash mountain, but for that, in one night, you have to make 1 crore or koti number of statues of, he has to make, Shivji's. Lord Shiva's mine itself, Shiva is saying that my less than 1 crore, not less than 1 crore, 1 crore number of statues you have to make in one night. This is the condition. अपनी धुन का पक्का कल्लू कुमार मूर्तियाँ बनाने में के काम में लग गया. Now Kallu Kumar is a very, what to say, a person who is having his own big personality. Okay, he is a very if one said one thing, then he will do that. He's that kind of a person. So when he heard this, immediately he started making the statues. लेकिन जब भोर हुई तो 1 कोटि मूर्तियाँ में से एक मूर्ति कम निकली. Now when it became morning, in one night he had to make. By the morning he was making the statues, but it became one less than 1 crore. That is Unakoti. He could make only Unakoti number of statues. कल्लू नाम की इस मुसीबत से अपना पीछा छुड़ाने के लिए शिव जी ने इसी बात का बहाना बनाते हुए अपनी मूर्तियों के साथ कल्लू कुमार को उनाकोटी में ही छोड़ दिया और स्वयं कैलाश पर्वत चलते बने. नाउ एक्चुअली शिव वॉज ट्राइंग टू मेक अ रीज़न, find a reason to leave this Kallu Kumar here itself and go with Parvati to the mountain. Now he's happy that Kallu Kumar couldn't actually fulfill the condition. Now he makes this a reason. Shiv says that you didn't make 1 crore, you made it 1 less. So you stay here with the statues. I am going with Parvati on the mountain. Okay, we are to the end of the chapter. उपर्युक्त दंत कथा के आधार पर ही लेखक ने इस पाठ का शीर्षक कल्लू कुम्हार की उनाकोटी रखना उचित समझा. Now, due to this myth kind of story, which I just now said, that is why the title of this chapter is kept Kallu Kumhar ki Unakoti. इस शीर्षक से त्रिपुरा के भौगोलिक, सामाजिक वातावरण और धार्मिक दंतकथा पर दृष्टिपात करने में सहायता मिलती है. Now, from this title, actually we get to know about Tripura's भौगोलिक, geographic condition, सामाजिक वातावरण, the societal condition and dharmik dantakatha, and also a myth story of religion can also be seen from the title from the chapter Kallu Kumar ki Unakoti. So this is the chapter. I hope it was clear. I don't know. I personally don't find it satisfied. I don't know how much you understood actually, because this is a bit confusing. But listen carefully, children. If you didn't understand, please watch it more than once. Okay, it will be very clear to you, I'm sure. And I'll try to upload the question answers for this one also. So all the best. Don't worry. Bye-bye.